Today's video is a comparison with JUVIA'S Place, and the shade is Catsinia Dark 2, and right now I'm just showing you what it looks like on the inside. It's a press powder foundation, and I'm using the Eco Tool brush to apply the press powder foundation. JUVIA'S Place Catsinia will be on my left, which will be your right when watching this video. As you can see, I'm taking the brush and applying it very gently, just tapping it into my skin. And because it's very light, I am going to be doing the patting into the skin for a few more times. I appreciate you watching this video. Please like and share and leave me your comments. And I am patting into the skin that press powder foundation. It is very nice, very light, easy to apply. This is what it looks like with the brush. This is my right side with nothing on now. Now I'm using a sponge to go over that section that I have applied with a brush because I need a little bit more coverage. So the sponge will give me more coverage. As you can see where I passed the sponge, and you can see the color is getting a little darker. It is a very, very nice foundation. It's matte, and I am just taking the sponge and just smoothing everything out. And like I said, the powder is very, very fine. It's a fine press powder foundation, and I love it. Tell me there if you think it's my match. Let me know if you think this is a good coverage for my skin. And now I am taking the brush and just brushing everything in place. My left side with the Catsinia JUVIA'S Place Press Powder Foundation, my right side, nothing. Now, on this right side, which will be your left, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Press Powder Foundation, and the shade is 360. I'm using the It Cosmetic brush, nice, dense, not too dense, but it's applying the foundation powder very, very nicely. As you can see, I am patting it into the skin. This is my right side, so it will be your left while watching this video. Tell me if you think the Maybelline is a good shade. Do you think it's too light or too dark, or it's just perfect? Let me know in the comments. Always appreciate your comments. Share this video with somebody else who might be looking for that foundation or something close to it. The Maybelline again is very nice. It's light. It applies really nice. I was having a hard time trying to decide which one I love the best between JUVIA'S and Maybelline. So maybe in the comments you can tell me about it. I'm using a sponge now. I'm using a sponge to get more coverage, just like I did the JUVIA'S Place, because I want to do all of them the same. So I like to do both of them the same way because I want you to see the true application process that I use when I'm doing the comparison. So now I'm just taking it and passing it under my neck, on the side of my face, and just making sure that I do the same thing on the right as I did on the left. Now, look, this is my right, which is Maybelline Super Stay 360. That's what it looks like. And this is the Catsinia JUVIA'S Place Dark 2. This is what it looked like on my left. Now, in the comments, let me know which one you like the best. If you have those, if you don't, are you planning to get it? Let me know if you're planning to buy any of these foundations if you don't have it yet. And if you do have it, let me know how you're liking it, how often you use it. And again, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for sharing. Love you all.